So this is a really old style train crossing. Literally nothing but a crossing. There's no lights, there's no nothing. Knaresborough is in that direction. Starbeck crossing, where you see this at the bottom there. I don't know if you can see that, but it curves around that way to Starbeck, whereas it'll go this way under that bridge there and curve in that direction. Our main road is running still across the top there, and between us and there lies this plus a golf course. So I'm going to cross this. I cannot believe I'm crossing a railway like this. This is bizarre. The funny thing about our trek here, and in fact our joining up of all these different trails to make one trail that goes all the way around Harrogate, is that we pass through 3 of these golf courses. There's this one here, I don't know what it's called, maybe Starbeck Golf Course, something like that. Forest Moor Golf Course, I don't know, something like that. Anyway, we pass another one near Crimple, which is in that direction, and then we passed another one which is Oakdale. It's behind Jenny Fields, well, between Jenny Fields and Duchy Road, basically. Our path wanders round there, and we pass another one. These things seem integral to being outside of the sort of city, just this far enough to be included in our treks, as all our paths seem to, you know, orbit the city but out as far as these. I always think it's strange. I mean, do many people even play golf these days? You have to have, you know, a vast area of land. I don't know. I mean, I have no problem with anybody who does, of course, but I would have thought they would not live up to their potential, really, but there we are. So here we are. I think very shortly these houses look like we're about to break out into Starbeck itself, at which point our trip is nearly done. So I'm now sitting on the roadside, and this is the main road that leads, it's a tributary off the Knaresborough Road, which is in that direction, and of course it leads down to another little crossing of the railway just a little bit in that direction, and I'm trying to now connect this up with Plumpton Industrial Estate, and I remembered that it was probably beyond the railway, so I think I'm going to have to cross that again and have a look if it's just beyond there. If it isn't, then I'll have to head back to Knaresborough Road, and I'll have to walk along towards Starbeck until I find whichever turning it is. The good news is that by that point I'm on Knaresborough Road and I'm in easy reach of any buses, and I've got a good half an hour before I need to start worrying about that, so, you know, we haven't done too badly at all. And to put no finer point on it, we've done it. We walk to cross the roundabout, and we come to a set of 2 mini roundabouts here, one of which across there, when there are no cars, well, across there is Hookstone Chase, and along that road there will be a mini roundabout somewhere just over there, and that will be the mini roundabout to Plumpton Industrial Park. So we've done it. That's amazing. We've actually connected up the dots.